Hi guys. Okay, for those of you that want to do a Christmas drawing, here's a really fast, really simple, very easy Christmas tree. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start probably about 2 inches up from the bottom of the page, and I'm going to draw a very slightly curved line. Very slightly like that. Okay, I'm going to find the middle of that line, and I'm going to go up the paper. Not all the way to the top because I want to leave room for a star. So let's say right about there, and I'm going to make a dot. Okay, so I know that that is the middle of this line. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back and forth like this. Curve up, back, up, back, up, back. And I'm going to work my way up until the very last one hits that dot. Okay? And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And they don't have to all be the same. They don't have to all be perfect because no tree is. Like that. Okay. At the very bottom, again right in the middle, I'm going to draw a little rectangle for the trunk. Like that. All right. I'm going to make some ground. So I'm going to draw a line like this. And we'll put a star on the top. So here's how we're going to do the star. I'm going to start at that tip, and I'm going to draw a diagonal line down on both sides, like that. Now, I'm going to draw another diagonal line up. It's almost straight up. I'm going to do a point on this side, point on this side, and a point on the top. And it does not have to be perfect. Mine isn't either, especially since we're not measuring or using a ruler or trying to make anything perfect. Now from here you can decide what kind of decorations you want. I'm just going to do some circles, space them out around my tree. Like that. And you could add some other details. You could do little candy canes or anything else that you would like to. Okay? Now for a background, I guess you could decide I kind of made this as an outdoor tree. That's why my ground is kind of bumpy. So it could kind of represent snow. So you could decide, what's in the background? What is there outside? Maybe I want to do some more trees. In fact, maybe I'm going to do some trees going off the side of the page. So watch how we do this. So we're only going to do half of a tree. So that means I start in the middle and I just curve up a little bit. Okay? And then I'm going to go that same back and forth motion like this just until I get to the edge of the paper. And here I may only see half of the trunk like that because that's going off the page. Maybe I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Curve. Back and forth. I don't think we would see the star on these ones. Like that. And you could add any other details that you like. I told you to be nice and easy, very simple Christmas tree. You could do all three. You could just do one. You could make different decorations. You could make it inside with presents around it. Whatever you want to do. Nice and simple, easy tree.